All right, what is up, guys? Today is the first of the month, September 2022, and I took a pretty big loss today on JZ from my account. Like a big loss for what my account is. Pretty much cleared my 3 weeks of gains that I've just been adding up, small gains, and I just took this big loss, which is really frustrating. So I took a loss on JZ, which is on the right of your screen. Really should have looked for more continuation on this. Got in at this dip right here, about to put in my order, and it just kept cracking down. Huge sellers. It overtook this whole green candle that it made in this morning move. I thought it'd have more activity, but when you're playing something like in the first 5 minutes, or really at market open, and you're looking for volume and continuation, I mean, it's really a gamble if you don't see it. You should really just be waiting for the first 5 minutes at market open to really see momentum and strength in the stock. And today I don't know, I just pretty much gambled my money away. There's dipping off the 20-day moving average, and I really should have been getting out right here for a small loss, but I figured that, hey, this 20-day could potentially hold up, and if we really do see a flush, and I'd get out, and that was kind of my thing. Looking to your left of the screen, I see HPCO, which now look like the first couple of minutes, the first 3 minutes, it's having its rip, and it's showing huge strength and buying power right now. I really should have been in the HPCO play. JZ just sell off, and hey, that it happens. Some days you are just eager to trade, and I was eager to trade. The 20-day didn't look good. The 180-day didn't look good. It was just in a huge sell-off. I was thinking, hey, maybe higher lows. Maybe we're going to have a squeeze. But on the 1 hour, the 20-day moving average is going down. JZ is just having a huge sell-off right at this point. And I'm frustrated at this point. Just not seeing it move the way I want it to be. I really should have been cutting my loss right here, thinking that, hey, maybe 588 would hold up on the hourly 20-day moving average, which really I should have been out on this 1 minute once it broke the 1 minute. Thinking, hey, maybe we can have some demand here at around 611, 610. And I start my little channel right here. Just seeing huge sell-off. A lot of sellers in the market on JZ this morning, and so it's pretty frustrating to see. I'm trading with a small account anyways, so it just kind of set me back. Been green the past 3 weeks nonstop, and this just kind of really set me back. Oh well, it is what it is. It comes with trading. It comes with not being disciplined and not being focused. And today I really wanted to trade. I really was eager to get in front of the markets. And when you go to a play instead of letting a play come to you, is when you're going to take big losses. I should have just been patient. I should have just sat back. I should have been watching HPCO on this halt up right here. Instead, I got into this play thinking that this 675 rip up to 710, was going to show some strength. instead of like letting it play out and like move a lot, like multiple candles move like a decent amount. I just ended up choking this trade. Yeah, I ended up getting in way too soon, thinking that it would dip and continue. And this is a game where you can't really think. Like, you really have to react. You really have to react to the markets. It's not what you think about, because anything could really happen. Yeah, you in the market, you just have to react to the demand. Where's people's eyes at? What's going on? Like, and today I just thought that this would go, and it proved me wrong. And now I'm just down a lot right here. Thinking that, hey, maybe right here at this bottom we could see a dip. And yeah, it did dip like 10, 15 cents. But it didn't have any strength at all. It sold right back down into it. And I don't even know, honestly, why I even waited for a flush. But here comes the flush, like after it breaks that little demand area. It just flushes straight down. It's unfortunate. I ended up taking about $100 loss on this. Buying up at 680, and I eventually sold like 580 on like 97 shares. So, oh well, I just wanted to recap this and let you guys know that it's okay to take losses, but it's never okay to let those losses run away from you. And today was kind of that day where I was thinking way too much instead of reacting to the markets, and just pushing trades and instead of letting these trades come to me, I just was trying to force something that really wasn't there. And I really should have been patient. Really should have traded like after the 5 minutes after open. And I would have been seeing HBCO right now if I would have just waited 5 minutes after open. Just seeing the strength on HBCO and seeing the strength that had. I could have made some money on this. So there goes HBCO gapping up out of that halt. Yeah, just seeing that just like made me frustrated. I didn't even put my live audio in this track. Now I'm just doing a voiceover on this because I was just so frustrated on this. Like, it's just so stupid. Just seeing Jay-Z go like this, and seeing that get halted, HPCO getting halted again, and then now just seeing this green candle just getting taken over by a huge, massive red wave. Like, it's just very frustrating, and yeah, I'm just still waiting. Like, here at this bottom, like, I don't even know why I'm still waiting. I should have been out when this broke 645 on the 20-day. I guess I'm just waiting for a flush to lose more money at this point. Obviously in the wrong trade, obviously don't have a good risk level, and not in at a good price. And seeing this go down is just it's just really frustrating me. But it's all a part of the game. It's all a part of me learning and growing, and these losses are really just lessons that you learn from, and I'm learning, and I'm trying to be productive about this loss that I took, and just being more conscious about these plays that I'm in and what I would like to see out of a stock. And Jay-Z just It's not what I wanted to see at all. Like I say again, I should have really just been waiting for that huge rip. Like it should have really gone to like 750 or 8 and like shown huge volume. And that's when you want to buy a dip. Not when that first 1 minute green candle right out the open gets rejected by a huge red candle. That's when you don't want to get into something. On the second minute, you don't want to be in something that's doing that. So, looking on the 15 minute right here, I think my thought process was I'm going to get out under this under the 20-day. And yeah, I think I'll kind of speed it up for you guys and show you that that loss. I think I end up selling here soon. Yeah, it starts flushing right now. So yeah, here it goes. It's starting to flush, and this is when I'm starting to get out of my position. 592, 585. I just finally decided to cut my loss right there. As it flushes even further. And yeah, it's frustrating, guys, but hey, it is what it is. Minus pretty much $100 on the day. And we'll live to trade again. I didn't blow up my account, but it's definitely frustrating. It's definitely a frustrating day, and it's a lesson, and I've learned from it. And yeah, we'll just we'll come back again tomorrow with a fresh level head, and we'll try not to make the same mistake. We'll wait. We'll see things unfolding. We'll see the large action, the large volume, and yeah, we'll make it happen. I know we will. Just got to keep believing. But I'm gonna sign out. Thank you guys for watching the video. If my loss has helped you in any way, comment how it's helped you. Subscribe if you enjoy my content and like the video. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.